Good day, team. In today's lesson, we're going to be discussing how to fix minus and positive quantities using stock usage. Sometimes we find that a salesman makes a mistake and tells the wrong item when they're trying to make a sale to a customer. For example, a customer buys a 16 gig memory card, and because they're the same price as the 16 gig USB, the salesman might tell one in space of the other, thus causing one to be over and the other one to be short. A salesman might even tell an item which shows zero stock on hand, which will in turn cause the stock on hand to be a negative quantity, and this will cause your stock take to be unbalanced. Once you realize that such an incident has occurred and you now have minus quantities in your stock take, you must not fix it by making a cash sale with minus quantities and positive quantities. You must instead use your stock usage function, which will help make your stock take balance. And the way to do it is as follows. To check your minus quantities, you just open mPrinter, click on stock take, leave the tabs blank, and click on run. When the tab appears asking if you want to print negatives on hand, you click yes. And then all your negative quantities will appear, showing that these items were sold while the stock on hand in the shop was zero. After viewing your negative quantities, now you can proceed to fix your negative quantities using stock usage. So you will click on 3, inventory, 7, inventory maintenance, then put in the level 1 password, which will be given to you by the manager, and then click on 4, stock usage. Once on the stock usage page, you will put in the barcode of the item that you want to fix the stock on hand for. Then once the item appears, under the quantity tab, you will put in a -1, because when you checked your mPrinter, the item appeared as a -1 quantity. So now in order to fix that, you will need to put in a -1. And then under the question mark tab, you'll put in 0, which is for stock take. Then you'll put in the barcode for the second item, which had a negative quantity. And then under quantity, you'll put -1 again. Under the question mark tab, 0 for stock take, and then you can click F10. Now you can go back to your mPrinter to check if the minus quantities have really been removed. Stock take, click on run. Negatives on hand, yes. And now you will see that you have no more negative quantities on your stock take. You can also check your stock take report to see how your stock is standing. You'll do this by clicking on 4 reports, 3 inventory, and 6 stock usage. Leave the dates as is, and then click F10. Then you will see all the items you fixed the stock on hand for, and you will see how they affected your GP. Remember that when you see a negative in front of the amount, it just means that the item was over. And when the value is positive, then it means that the item was short. And that's how you will fix your stock take. Thank you.